Hi everyone, welcome back to another macro video. I'm at Drummy's Bridge Reserve, not so far from where we live, and I absolutely love this area. It's a beautiful autumn morning, 10:30 right now, and I'm gonna I have to get down. Oh my god. And I want to get over there to that area because there would be plenty of subjects there to explore. I'm gonna be shooting everything with my usual setup, the Canon R7, the Laowa 90mm ultra macro lens, and the EX2 RT flash with my usual reflector diffuser kit. By the way, if you want to know how I set up my Canon R7 for macro photography, check out the tutorial that I created, and I'll show you all the customizations that I've made for optimal results. I will leave a link to that video in the description as well. All right, let's head over there and take some macros. I've already found our first subject. I'll be shooting a tiny little weevil that's resting over there. The exposure settings are going to be f11. I'm going to start with ISO 200, and the shutter speed is going to be 1/200th of a second because it's a bit breezy. I'm going to hold this just firmly. I'm using the maximum magnification, and the focus peaking really does help. Let's see, that's not bad. Hopefully I'll be able to stack a few of these. Let's try and capture a frontal portrait as well. All right, buddy. Don't want to bother it too much. I think you're gonna have a nice portrait of this little bugger. We got our first subject. Let's look around for something else. I just found a case moth. Look over there on this fence post. Let's try and grab some shots. I'm gonna try and capture it from this side, and I'm actually gonna zoom out. This is 0.25 to 1 because I want to get the entire subject in a single frame. There. Did it work? I just want to see. Okay, what I'm gonna do is up the ISO to 400. Try to overpower the sun a little bit. Alrighty. Yeah, that looks really cool. I'm gonna take a more close-up shot of the interesting organic material that's attached to the outer casing. All the detritus and tiny little twigs. There's a tiny little jumping spider over here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to capture it because it's quite skittish and it's moving around a fair bit. Oh, there you are. Come on, buddy, stay still. Fortunately, it's not facing me, and it's moving way high up. Oh, there's another one here. Oh, maybe I'll be lucky with this one. It's a female, I think. Maybe if I try it from here. I'm gonna put this down because I can't really hold it with one. Oh, so skittish. It's right here now. So beautiful. I just stumbled upon another subject. It might be another weevil. I'm not really sure. The angle is not the best, and I don't know if I can get close enough. Oh yeah, I will be able to. It is not a weevil. I think it's something else. It's a beautiful species. It's pretty cool. Normally we don't have this much water in this area, but we had quite a bit of rain the last couple of days, and it's filling up this wetland over here. Unfortunately, I can see some plastic. Stupid people just keep throwing stuff away. Anyway, I'm sure that we're gonna be able to find something interesting in this section of the reserve. I have found a tricolor sojo beetle on this large dead tree trunk. Let's try and grab a couple of shots. It's moving around, making sure that I've got the highest magnification on, and I'm gonna shoot at ISO 640 because it's really dark here. Come on buddy, just stay still. Don't move. It's moving now, unfortunately, turning around. Come on, this one might be even better. It's facing me now. I'll actually lower the magnification a little bit more. I think it's printing itself right now. I can grab a couple more shots here from this angle, facing us again. So we get at least a couple of shots of a beautiful tricolor sojo beetle. Let's explore this area a little bit more. I've been trying to track some really tiny ants on this dead log, but I haven't been too successful. Maybe with this one. Okay, it's relatively still now. Come on. Oh, they're so fast. So hard to focus. But I'm gonna do my best. It's printing itself, I think. 90% of these shots are gonna be out of focus, unfortunately. I found the subject here on this leaf. Maybe this is the exact same beetle that we saw earlier. I think so. There's a tiny little fly facing me. I'm gonna zoom out because I think it's gonna fly away if I get any closer. Looks like a sapromiser to me. Maybe I can get a little bit closer. Flew away. I don't think I nailed it, did I? I actually got lucky, so it's not too bad. There's another specimen here. I'm at maximum magnification. Wow, that proboscis is massive. Hopefully get some shots. Looks like I'm only gonna find the exact same species today, but this one is resting in a perfect spot. Anyway, this is it for today's macro episode. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below which image you like the most. You might also want to have a look at these videos next. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and you love nature photography, macro photography and bird photography. Thanks again for watching and catch you all very soon in the next one.